Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create step by step an application with Tkinter and how to integrate some pandas and matplot tools like dataframe manipulation and graph visualization. We will start from the bottom because some of you might not know that Tkinter is one of the most famous libraries in Python used for making GUI or Graphical User Interface. It is worth because it is very easy to use and understand, and also it is a quite well way to make our projects more attractive and available for other people. So let's start with the installation. Go in your Windows terminal and type pip install tk to install Tkinter library, and after a few seconds it will be done. The next step is of course to create a Python file, in this case tk_tutorial.py, and let's import all of our module. We do it like from Tkinter import all. Then we go immediately deep with the creation of our main class, which will inherit directly from Tkinter object. In some guide you will find something like this, root equals tk. But here we will do something more interesting for our application. We can create a class, for example main window, which will inherit from tk object, and we can use the init function to initialize our class and all of its widgets. Okay, don't worry, this is only a step to initialize the class. We can define a title, self.title, my app. We can define the geometry, for example 500. We can also define an icon bitmap. In this directory I have dc4.icon, so dc4.icon. We can also place here a button, for example button equals button, text equals hello, and we can execute all of these just by typing main window dot main loop in the classic manner. And of course I forgot to place the button in our application. Of course we have an error. Why? Oh yeah, let me copy this one over there. Yeah, okay, now we have our icon, which is the Tkinter our title, my app, and then our button. We can also link a command directly to the button. Inside the class we can define a new function. For example, we will create a function that will change the text inside a label. So first we create a label, so label equals label, text equals hello YouTube. Then of course we have to label.pack. Then inside the class we can insert our method, so def change text. We can do I forgot to mention that if we want to make that this function see this object, we have to use the self property of the class. So we define the label as a self, and also here, so we can do here self dot label dot config text equals hello mom. Then we link the function to the previous button like so. So here, instead of hello we type press me and insert a command, okay, and we have the self dot change text, and I recommend you to remove the parentheses. Here must be the function just with the name, without this, okay? It is important because otherwise if we launch the application, the function will be will start automatically. If we here we put the parentheses first, label, why, what's the problem? Okay, as you can see here, the button try to execute the function, but there is no label defined because we are here and the label is defined over there. So how I can change the text of things that it even exists? So I remove the parentheses and now it works. So press me, hello YouTube, hello mom. If I press again, it will no, there is no change. So as you can see, we have our button and our label. If we want to make that every time we click on the button, for example, we can create a counter. So self dot counter equals 0. We can do pressed times self dot counter, and we okay, and then we press the time self dot counter counter u equals 1. Okay, so press time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So for this video is enough. I will come shortly with another video to continue this little guide through Tkinter. Hope you enjoyed. Next topic are multi-windows in the GUI, so other frames, tree view, and pandas integration. If you have some problems or something to ask, feel free to leave a comment. Bye bye.